So finally, after the 4 months, there's a new update available for multiple Galaxy devices that you guys might be missing out. So this is a security update that you guys should must check out, and today in this video we will check out this update. So to check out this update, you will have to go into the settings of your device, and once you are into your settings of the device, you have to scroll all the way down, and from here tap on about phone. Then you have to tap on Google Play System Update. From here you will get to see that the last update that I got was of September, and now there's this new latest update available of 74 MBs in size. So it is the latest security update from Google to keep your device safe and improve the device stability. First of all, you will have to download this update. This update is 74 MBs in size. And once the update is downloaded, you will have to simply install it on your device. And to install it, you will have to restart your device. So make sure to install it when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use the device during this installation process. And once the installation is complete, your device will automatically restart. And now when you will check for the new updates, you will get to see that your device will be on the latest January 1st 2026 security update. Talking about the security patch updates, so you can also check out another security patch update from settings, then tap on software update, then tap on download and install. From here you will get to see this January 1st 2026 security patch update. Hopefully we will get to see the February update soon on these devices. And till then, if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates. Also let me know in the comment section below that have you got this update on your device or not yet.